Let's talk about the cost of not changing. I think that's a really interesting place to start. A lot of organisations take a lot of time to work out why they might need to change, what the challenges are associated with that, what the risks are of changing. And sometimes they don't necessarily quite go as deeply into the costs of not changing. By definition, organisations have a lot of inertia. People like doing what they've always done as a general rule. And so the idea of having to make a change can sometimes be more difficult to overcome than it should be if you were really thinking about the organisation as a whole and what the long-term benefits for the organisation are. So when we turn up to an organisation, what we really try and do is to communicate and to quantify the costs of not making those changes. So it can be loss of market share. It could be that your team will become much less motivated and so therefore less productive. It could be that new markets won't actually open up to you. So, innovation is a huge thing. Opening up the organisation to new ways of working almost by definition generates innovation. You can't create and start something new unless you are being innovative. And as soon as you start to become innovative, that spreads into all other areas of your thought patterns as well. So new ways of working generates new product ideas, generates new ideas of how to market the things. It's an amazing thing to witness an organisation going through that sort of change. So I'd be interested in your ideas about how you've experienced that combination or that expansion of change and innovation, not just within the part that's being changed, but also how that affects the rest of the organisation.